Guys, Aaron Greer, not Aaron Greer, Levi Greer here, but my channel's Aaron Greer. Anyway, here we are at our Fallen Master Quinn Star by right there. I don't know because it's wore off. Here it is. It doesn't have good blades. I like the way it fits up. It's rusty. You can tell it's sitting in water. See, that splashy thing. Here's our Sunflower Richardson's tools. Sorry, dang, this is slick. We were driving through here and it melted. So it's in good condition. Yes and no. We can put anhydrous on it, but we took the anhydrous blade things off. There's the blades. I'll get a better look to get the sun from up front. Here's our Merit back pup. I'll talk about that some more. We got our blades here. These are brand new last year, and my dad used them very well. There's the little clip of the blades. There's a better clip. They're rusty. Then with there, you can see we have a lot of snow. Yeah, we have a lot of snow. Here's our, here you go, Merit. We got these out of Denver. It's a pup. This, actually I wish it unhooked, but it doesn't. You can unhook it here, but you can't unhook it right here. Wish you could, so my dad could buy another truck and we can have two trucks running. But here's the front pup. Front pup Merit. Front pup. Here's our Ford L900. I'll go inside. Oh, this is my book. Whoa, what happened? Oh, here's my book. Anyway, I'll do that later. We just put this in. Here's the inside. It's not in good condition. Well, I guess you can say it is. Some of my friends say we're hobby farmers. They haven't even seen our equipment. We have some nice equipment. It's just like, this stuff is old because back in like 19 something, it's back in 19 something. We had this. My dad's cousin, which will make it my second cousin. I got that from my grandma. Anyway, my cousin has, my grandpa and his dad used to farm together, but they split in like 2012 or 2011, and they had a big auction. Monty Morgan is his name, and Mick Morgan. They both bought they both bought some things, and like you can see over there, I'll zoom in. They bought that like junk truck for no reason. There's I'll have to drive over there. Anyway, so here's our Polaris SP 850. We're looking for 1,000, and this thing is nice, sturdy, because we check wells. And see you at the next thing. Okay, here we are. Got a Rhino 272. Don't know when we bought this. 3-point. What? 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 Making a farm tour. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Here's the Krause Hutchison. Dang, there goes a bunny. Anyway. Here's our Krause Hutchison, Kansas. And 3-point. And I don't know. I don't have much to say about it. We didn't buy it from Hutch. I don't have too much history of it. My dad, funny story, I was there, but my dad brought me back home. We were at an auction, and he was going to try to load it up with he had like a, what do you call those things? It's like a trailer where you can lift it up. He tried to put it in the back of his pickup with a flatbed, and I'm like, I was just sitting in the pickup. He never got it to work, so we had to bring back our 4020 that I'll show you down, guys, later back in the road. So it was funny. So see you at the next. Here we go. This is a Allis-Chalmers FMFG Co. That's the rim bottom, not the, I don't know, the bottom of it, and then they just bought a weird tank. Same thing with here. This is I don't think this is an Allis-Chalmers. I think this is a random custom made. Actually, that's what I think it is. It says dyed diesel fuel, non-taxable use only, and penetrable taxable use. Yeah, it doesn't say. They just bought a tank, and I guess they just bought a bottom. Don't know what you call it. And then, oh, my feet are wet because I've been walking through all this wet stuff. Yep, so you can see my boots. They're wet. I just walked through more. Here's a custom made by the same person. Not the same person. By a guy that passed away a couple weeks ago. Custom made, built it, bought some blades, put them together, built a hitch. I'm not gonna walk over there because it's surrounded by water. You can see we have like an ocean out here, ocean of snow and water. Custom built it. I don't have much background. Yeah, he custom built it. And there, see you at the next. I'm like, why not? Let's get this for the viewers. So let's drive through this pool of water. I'm not gonna shut the folder up. Here we are. It's a cross triple wire trailer wire roller. It needs some, like, these are smooth. It needs some wheels. This one, I don't know where the wheels come from. The other wheel, oh god dang, I'm walking through a puddle of water again. And this one is a Chevy. See, it's a Chevrolet tire. And we're running out of wire. And see you back at the next. Okay, here we are at the, this is a really weird name for a feed wagon anyway. It's a Apuche feed wagon. Took it out to our cows on our field. But we brought the cows back, so we brought it back too. And yeah, it's an Apuche feed wagon. So, it says no brand on it, but my dad has the papers for it. Yes, it came with papers. Sometimes it's really weird. Here we come to the Lalico. I don't know how to pronounce it. Something trailers. Yeah. Custom made by Rusty Landon. Same thing who made the drag. Same person. Passed away a couple weeks ago. He built this pretty nice. And the background straps broke, so my dad had to start using these type of straps. Banjo nozzles on all of these except for maybe these. Cart trailer. This broke. I'm going fast. This broke it broke in this second beam right there, and then we just put it over all 4 boards. Here's our PJ trailers. So, yep, there's the PJ trailers. PJ trailer. Dump trailer, gooseneck. It's rusty inside because we've hauled a lot with it. Got it in like 2016. And let's go to the next thing. So I'm wearing a helmet, and just wearing a helmet to be safe. This is gonna be the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe. Push the like button, subscribe, push your notifications, please, and we'll see you next time. This is part 1, and part 2 will be up in like maybe 2 weeks. So I haven't showed you my comment. I've just showed you about everything outside. Not everything outside, but I'll get that in part 2. So subscribe, notifications, and like button, please. And if you want to put a comment in the description below, not description, anyway, if you want to put a comment below, please do. I'll link my maybe TikTok account if you guys have TikTok. And so, see you next time. Bye. Here. Bye.